Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Variable Power Supply up to 3 ampere current, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Here we demonstrate the working of a variable power supply. This project can provide up to 3 ampere of current for a 5, 6, 8 or 9 volt power supply. The components used here are an LM317 adjustable voltage regulator, power transistor, 5mm LED, 1N5408 rectifier diode with other resistors and capacitors. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.